Hello, beautiful co-creators. Today is day mm, day is the 28th of March. This means that it is day 52 of my 100-day challenge. More than a half has passed, and now it is day 52 of my 100-day challenge. Yay! And what can I say? I'm on my way. I'm on my swimming program. Today I've practiced yoga. Um, no, it's not right because now it is already 1 a.m. So yesterday, yesterday I practiced yoga, and I ate healthy food. I earned money, and yesterday I walked a lot and laughed a lot and had. Yesterday I had a very beautiful sunny day. The weather was very good, and yesterday I wrote an article about the Romanovs family up to the end, and hope that the article will be well received. I write the article for the Portuguese and Spanish department of the Voice of Russia, so it will be translated into Portuguese. It will be translated in Portuguese. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Um, I I'm on the way of my healing program, so I have the healing sessions now, and a lot of changes come, and I feel more powerful. I'm more energized, and I like the way I feel after yoga. And there was uh, a big um, I haven't been practicing yoga for a long time, for half a year at least. So yeah, and now I feel the difference, as if I haven't practiced it at all. No, of course, the flexibility stays and all that stuff, but I feel the difference, how the body feels without physical exercises, and how it feels after yoga. Of course, you feel more energized, you feel healthier, happier, and you can do lots of things, and yeah, yoga rules. um, and what about tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Thursday, a day of Guru, a day of Jupiter, a day of teachers. So tomorrow I'm going to listen to Buddhist lectures. Um, I found a very nice uh, site where of Tibetan, actually Russian Lama who was studying in Kathmandu in Nepal and became a Buddhist Lama teacher. Now I'm listening to his um, Buddhist lectures, and they are very, very interesting. Actually, I'm starting to think about Buddhism now, because and analyzing all the systems of Hinduism, or the Hinduist system, and analyzing yoga and yoga systems. I I made the decision to become a Buddhist because, from my point of view, it is the system where real yoga of mind, is preserved and saved, and uh, this is a real yoga, you know. Of course, body yoga is very, very helpful, useful, and it is cool. But if we talk about yoga of mind, how how to control your mind, how to deal with your mind, how to be happy, how not to suffer, and all that stuff, Buddhism is a cool system, and meditation. It's all about meditation and trying to control yourself on one object without thinking at all, without any thought that disturbs your mind. And yeah, I'm thinking about Buddhism and making small steps towards the Buddhism, and it's quite curious how things unfold. Yeah, and about my swimming program, I decided to actually I am practicing yoga, and I intend to practice yoga. Yeah, and I will look how it will influence my body. Yeah, yeah. I hope that at last it will happen. And there are some good things, if it is possible to say. There are some manifestations. My father offered me to go kayaking in May, to go traveling by boat, and I will have a look whether kayaking is a good rafting. Actually, it is kayaking is like rafting, to go rafting. I'm going raft. I want to go rafting in May, so it will be some kind of physical exercise. And of course, I hope that my journey to India will help me to get slim, because I will be in India for 3 weeks in Himalayas, in Kulu Valley, and we will travel a lot. And I want to have a 2 days mountain climb. Um, because actually I love to walk. Walking is a cool thing, and if if I have any opportunity to walk in the mountains and to climb the mountains, of course I will take this opportunity and use it, and do my best, because this is my favorite activity. I like, traveling, especially in the mountains. The only problem that I'm a woman, because if a man travels in the mountains, it's okay, but if a woman travels in the mountains alone, it's not quite okay, because, Hindu people, um, you know, they react on women, especially lonely women, in quite a specific way. That sometimes troubles me a lot. Yeah, so, hmm, yeah, so, but this, in May, I will travel with a group of people, so it will be quite safe and cool and very, very interesting, because this is, quite a legendary place. And yeah, there will be a juicy tour. So I will enjoy. I'm sure that I enjoy it. Okay, so as for tomorrow, tomorrow will be a free day, and I'm going to have first of all, I will listen to Buddhist lectures. I will do yoga. I will eat healthy food. I I will walk tomorrow for 1 hour, and I will visit a sports center, and we'll have a 1 hour uh, trekking tomorrow. I hope so. There was recently there was so about there have been a lot of snow recently, and I've broken my shoes. They cracked in the middle. My shoes really they cracked right in the middle because of the snow. It was so tough. The ice was so tough, and um, tomorrow I'm going to trek, and yeah. Yes, I like the way spring comes. There is a lot of sun outside, and sun energizes me a lot. Yeah, it's cool. Life is juicy. Life is juicy. And I'm happy that I'm making this video. I'm grateful that you're watching this video. I'm grateful for the opportunity to film it. I'm grateful for all the software that I'm having here, because it's a miracle how free how how free and easily things and these devices come into my life. I'm grateful that I have money and that I have the opportunity to earn money. I'm grateful that I have information to study. I'm grateful that I have work. I'm grateful that I have a beautiful and very clever um, brother whom I love very much. I'm grateful for my mother and for my father, for my parents and for my cousins, and I'm grateful for the beautiful presence of life that I have, for the beautiful journeys and for the beautiful friends who offer me such um, gift, for such presents. And yeah, it's cool. Yeah, life is cool and beautiful life, such a beautiful life. Yeah, I'm really grateful for all that stuff. I'm grateful. Yeah. Hope that you are having a beautiful day, and keep on manifesting. Um, keep on manifesting your goals. I'm sure that you're on the track, and the manifestation will take place soon. Bye.